Good morning, students. Welcome to Finite Element Methods class. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this lecture, I am going to discuss isoparametric representation. We know that for a CST element, as shown in figure, CST means constant strain triangle element. It is a two-dimensional linear element. It has only three primary nodes. The strain is constant throughout the element. The polynomial functions for CST element are u equal to a1 plus a2x plus a3y, v equal to a4 plus a5x plus a6y. The displacement at any point P inside the element can be specified as u equal n1 u1 plus n2 u2 plus n3 u3, v equal n1 v1 plus n2 v2 plus n3 v3, where n1, n2, n3 are shape functions and u1, u2, u3, v1, v2, v3 are nodal displacements at x and y directions. For the triangular element, that is CST element, the coordinates x, y of the point P can also be represented in terms of nodal coordinates using same shape functions. This is referred as isoparametric representation. That is, the coordinates of point P are given by x equal n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 x3. Now we can replace uv terms with x comma y, that is x equal n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 x3, y equal n1 y1 plus n2 y2 plus n3 y3. We know the properties of shape function. Summation of all shape functions equal to 1, that is n1 plus n2 plus n3 equal 1. From this equation, now write n3 equal 1 minus n1 minus n2. Substitute this n3 value in equation number 1 and 2. X equal n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 means 1 minus n1 minus n2 into x3. Now simplify this equation. We can get x equal x1 x1 minus x3 into n1 plus x2 minus x3 into n2 plus remaining term is x3, similar to y equal y1 minus y3 into n1 plus y2 minus y3 n2 plus y3. The next topic is linear strain triangle. It is also called as LST element. It is a element, two-dimensional non-linear element, that is complex element. It has a three primary nodes at the corners, and three secondary nodes at the midpoints. The strain is varying linearly inside the element. The polynomial functions for LST elements are u equal a1 plus a2x plus a3y plus a4x square plus a5xy plus a6y square. This equation we can get from By using Pascal's triangle, we know the Pascal triangle formula. Uh, a symmetrical arrangement of higher order triangular element which contain a polynomial terms is known as Pascal's triangle. 1 xy, next x square, xy, y square, similar to x cube, x square y, x y square, y cube, u equal a1 plus a2x plus a3y plus a4 x square plus a5 xy plus a6 y square, v equal a7 plus a2 a8x plus a9y plus a10 x square plus a11 xy plus a12 y square. It is also called as quadratic triangle element. In nonlinear triangular element, the displacements vary nonlinearly, that is quadratically, in such a way that the strain vary linearly with in the element, and here it is called as linear strain triangle or quadratic triangle. Now we discuss one problem regarding CST element. Evaluate the shape functions n1, n2 and at the interior point P for the triangular elements shown in figure. These are the given triangle element. It has coordinates x13, y12, x27, y24, x35, y3, 8. The shape functions n1, n2, n3 at the point P of 4, 6 can be evaluated in two ways. By using expression of shape functions method. Second one is by isoparametric representation method. Now we discuss by using expression of shape function method. We know the we know direct formulas, that is n1 equal alpha 1 plus beta 1x plus gamma 1y by 2a, n2 equal alpha 2 plus beta 2x plus gamma 2y by 2a, n3 equal alpha 3 plus beta 3x plus gamma 3y by 2a. We know the values for alpha 1, beta 1, gamma 1. Already we derived in the previous derivations. Alpha 1 equals x2 y3 minus x3 y2, that means x. Now substitute the values, that is x2 7 y3 8 minus x3 5 y2 4, that value is 36. Similar to alpha 2 x3 y1 minus x1 y3 equal to x3 equal to 5 y1 2 x1 3 y3 8. The answer is minus 14. Alpha 3 equal to x1 y2 minus x2 y1 equal to x1 means x1 equal to 3, y2 4, x2 7, y1 2, 3 into 4 12 minus 7 into 2 14, 12 minus 14 equal minus 2. Similar to calculate beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, beta 1 equal y2 minus y3, that is equal to 4 minus 8 equal minus 4. Beta 2 equal to y3 minus y1 equal to 8 minus 2 equal 6. Beta 3 equal to y1 minus y2, that equal 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Now calculate gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3. Gamma 1 equal to x3 minus x2. 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2. Gamma 2 equal to x1 minus x3. x2 minus x3, that equal to 3 minus 5 equal minus 2. Gamma 3 equal to x2 minus x1 equals 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now calculate 2a. 2a means area of triangular element. 2a equal to 1 x1 y1, 1 x2 y2, 1 x3 y3. Now calculate determinant of this matrix. Now substitute the values of this coordinates 1, 3, 2, 1, 7, 4, 1, 5, 8. Now calculate determinant of this matrix. 1 into 7 into 8 minus 4 into 5, that is 56 minus 20, minus 3 into 1 into 8 minus 4 into 1, that is 8 minus 4, plus 2 into 1 into 5 minus 7 into 1. Now simplify these terms. The value 2a equal 20. Now substitute all these values in the shape functions formulas. N1 equal to 36 plus minus 4 into 4 plus minus 2 into 6 by 20. The value is 0.4. N2 equal to minus 14 plus 6 into 4 plus minus 2 into 6 by 20. The value is minus 0.1. N3 equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 4 into 6 by 20. The value is 0.7. Second method is using isoparametric representation. We know that the coordinates of any interior point P of x comma y can be represented by the nodal coordinates such as, that is, x equal x1 minus x3 n1 plus x2 minus x3 into n2 plus x3, y equal y1 minus y3 into n1 plus y2 minus y3 into x2 plus n2 plus y3. Now substitute the nodal coordinates in equation number 1 and 2. From equation 1, x equal to 4 equal to x1 minus x3, 3 minus 5 into n1 plus x2 minus x3, 7 minus 5 into n2 plus x3, 5. Now simplify this equation, you get 2n1 plus 2n1 minus 2n2 equal 1. Similar to substitute the nodal coordinates in equation number 2, y equal 6 equal to y1 minus y3, 2 minus 8 n1 plus y2 minus y3, 4 minus 8 into n2 plus 8. Now simplify this equation, we can get 6 n1 plus 4 n2 equal to 2. Now solve this equation number 3 and 4. Equation number 3 multiply with 2 plus equation number 4, 6 n1 plus 4 n2 equal to 2 to the 4 n1 minus 4 n2 equal to. Now solve this two equation, we can get n1 equals 0.4 and 2 equals 0.1. we know we know the properties of shape functions n1 plus n2 plus n3 equal to 1. Now substitute this n1 n2 values in this equation, we can get n3 equal to 1 minus n1 minus n2. The n3 value is 0.7. I hope this is very clear to everyone. In next lecture, we will discuss some more problems on CST elements. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.